I just thought I'd share with you a little trick I've come up with for keeping dry lining boxes tight to the wall prior to plastering to keep them square and even. So what I've done, I've cut a piece of cable and I've just cut it a bit longer than the actual box itself and just bent the ends like that. Then I took, these are 45mm back boxes, so I always like to put a deep back box in, so it gives plenty of room to get your wires in. So these are from Screwfix, these back boxes, and they've got this gap here. So if I shove that wire in there and then that wire in there, so what that does, it keeps hold of the cables behind. That's first purpose. Now what I've done, I've bought some 40mm screws. Just bought a bag of them off eBay, only a couple of quid, and they go in here. Another one out. They're squashing the wire, but they also are flush, so they don't stick out proud of the box. So they're tightening up. So then what we do, our little spirit level in, make sure it's level, just adjust the box. Which way are we going? That way. Squish the box down till we get it level. Tighten up. So what that's doing is it's pulling the dry lining box tight up against the plasterboard, but it's also keeping your wires out of the way. So if you've got a lot of wires, I'll just show you one over here. I mean, look at all them wires in there. So they were all just sticking out proud. The plasterer would keep hitting them, and also it was pulling the box out of the wall because they're all pushed behind and forcing the box out. So if you've got a few boxes, I'll just take you out here. It keeps them all perfectly lined up, tight against the wall, wires out of the way. Plasterer will be happy, customer will be happy that you don't end up, because if I hadn't have done that on here, all these were sticking out with gaps on and it would have just looked a mess once it's plastered. So hope that helps and improves your job. Thank you.